Let's take up multiple choice questions based on S block elements. First question, which of the following compounds absorbs CO2 and reacts with water violently? Zinc oxide, sulfuric acid, calcium oxide, calcium carbonate. Correct answer is C part. It reacts with water violently to form calcium hydroxide with a hissing sound because reaction is highly exothermic. It also absorbs carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate. Which of the following is correct order of thermal stability of the following? Barium carbonate, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate. Correct answer is A part. Barium carbonate has highest thermal stability because it has highest lattice energy. Then comes calcium carbonate, then comes magnesium carbonate. The reason for high lattice energy of barium carbonate is strong ionic character or maximum ionic character. Magnesium carbonate has least ionic character. So A part is the correct answer. The element found in plant system which makes an important part of photosynthesis is iron, copper, sodium, magnesium. Correct answer is magnesium. In plants, chlorophyll plays this role and chlorophyll contains magnesium. Iron is present in hemoglobin which acts as an oxygen carrier in animals and human beings. Magnesium is present in chlorophyll which is used in photosynthesis. Portland cement is prepared by limestone, clay and gypsum, limestone, gypsum and alumina, limestone, clay and sand, limestone, gypsum and sand. Correct answer is limestone, clay and gypsum. A part is the correct answer. If fireworks gives out crimson colored light, it contains salt of sodium, calcium, barium, strontium. Correct answer is strontium. Sodium salts will give yellow colored flame, calcium will give brick red colored flame, and barium will give apple green flame, whereas strontium will give crimson red colored flame. So D part is the correct answer. The substance which is commonly used in laboratory as a desiccator is sodium chloride, sodium carbonate, sodium sulfate, or calcium chloride. Correct answer is D part, and hydrous calcium chloride is removes moisture, that's why it is called desiccator. The setting of plaster of Paris is carbonation, dehydration, oxidation, hydration to another hydrate. Correct answer is D part, it gets hydrated to form another hydrate. The wires of flash bulbs are made up of tungsten, magnesium, sodium, and mercury. Correct answer is magnesium. Tungsten filaments are used in electric bulbs, whereas flash bulbs are made up of magnesium. Magnesium burns in atmosphere of nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen. None of these. Correct answer is nitrogen because it reacts with nitrogen to form magnesium nitride. So although nitrogen is non-supporter of combustion, but magnesium ribbon keeps on burning due to chemical reaction and leading to the formation of magnesium nitride. The mixture of MgCl2 and MgO is known as double salt, Portland cement, Sorrel cement, none of these. Correct answer is Sorrel cement. This is also called white cement. Which of the following salts has highest solubility in water? Barium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, beryllium sulfate. Correct answer is beryllium sulfate because beryllium ions being smallest in size at highest hydration energy, and hydration energy dominates over lattice energy. A piece of magnesium ribbon was heated to redness in the atmosphere of nitrogen and then cooled with water. The gas evolved is hydrogen, nitrogen, ammonia, oxygen. Correct answer is ammonia because magnesium nitride will react with water to form magnesium hydroxide and 2 moles of ammonia. So ammonia gas is formed. C part is the correct answer. Calcium chloride and potassium chloride salts can be distinguished from one another by adding ammonium hydroxide solution, by performing flame test, by adding silver nitrate solution, comparing the colors of the solution. Correct answer is by performing flame test. Calcium will give brick red color to the flame, potassium will give violet color to the flame. And which of the following pair of substances both give same gaseous products on reacting with water? Barium and barium peroxide, sodium and sodium peroxide, calcium and calcium hydride, potassium and potassium superoxide. Correct answer is C part. Calcium reacts with water forming hydrogen gas, and calcium hydride also react with water forming calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So both give same gaseous product, that is hydrogen. Which of the following metal ions play an important role in muscle contraction? Sodium ion, potassium ion, magnesium ion, calcium ion. Correct answer is D part, calcium ion. Soda lime is a mixture of NaOH and calcium hydroxide, NaOH and Na2O, NaOH and CaO, NaOH, Na2CO3. Correct answer is C part. NaOH and CaO. It is used for decarboxylation of sodium salt of carboxylic acid to form alkenes having one carbon atom less. The electronic configuration of alkaline earth metal is represented by Np2, Ns1, Ns2, Ns1, Nd, N-1. Correct answer is Ns2. Which of the following is not electronic configuration of alkaline earth metals? Four options are given. Correct answer is D part. This is D block element and not alkaline earth metal. So D part is the correct answer. Which of the following elements forms least ionic chloride? Beryllium, magnesium, barium and radium. Correct answer is beryllium, because beryllium being smallest in size, it has highest polarizing power, so it forms covalent halide which is least ionic. Others form ionic halides. Hydration energy of magnesium is higher than that of Mg plus 3, aluminium plus 3, beryllium plus 2, sodium plus 1. Correct answer is sodium plus 1, because it is smaller in size and has higher charge. Chemical composition of carnallite is CaCl2 MgCl2 into 6H2O, MgCl2 into MgO into 6H2O, KCl MgCl2 into 6H2O, K2CO3 into MgSO4. Correct answer is C part. It is double chloride of potassium, magnesium and 6 water molecules are associated with it. C part is the correct answer. Which of the following oxide is most basic? Al2O3, SiO2, P2O5, MgO. Correct answer is MgO, because magnesium is most electropositive. That's why it forms most basic oxide. Second most basic will be alumina, which is amphoteric. SiO2, which is amphoteric. P2O5 is acidic. Among lithium chloride, beryllium chloride, rubidium chloride and magnesium chloride, the chlorides with greatest and least ionic character respectively are, we have four options. Greatest ionic character is rubidium chloride, because it is most electropositive. Lowest ionic character is of beryllium chloride, because it is smallest in size and has beryllium ion has high polarizing power. So this is most ionic, this is least ionic, rather it's covalent. Anhydrous magnesium chloride can be prepared by heating MgCl2 into 6H2O with charcoal until it becomes red hot with current of HCl gas with slaked-lime. Correct answer is in current of HCl gas, which absorbs water of crystallization, and we get anhydrous magnesium chloride, and even it does not get hydrolyzed by passing HCl gas. Which of the following is known as lithopone? A. Magnesium sulfate into 7H2O is called Epsom salt. Calcium hydride is called hydrolith. Zinc oxide is called philosopher wool. This mixture has no special name. Barium sulfate plus ZnS is called lithopone. It is used as white pigment in paints. It's prepared by reaction of zinc sulfate with barium sulfide. Both are soluble in water, and these two, barium sulfate and zinc sulfide, both are insoluble in water. ZnSO4 plus barium sulfide is used to prepare lithopone. So C part is the correct answer. Magnesium burns in air to produce magnesium oxide, magnesium nitride, both or none of these. Correct answer is both. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide and nitrogen to form magnesium nitride, and mixture of both we get when it burns in presence of air. Bone ash mainly contains calcium oxide, calcium sulfate, calcium phosphate, calcium hydrogen phosphate. Correct answer is calcium phosphate. Which of the following salts does not impart color to the flame? MgSO4, calcium chloride, strontium nitrate, barium chloride. Correct answer is MgSO4. Calcium chloride imparts brick red, strontium nitrate, crimson red, barium chloride, apple green color to the flame. Gypsum has a composition as which of the following? Correct answer is D part, CaSO4 into 2H2O. Gypsum on heating at about 120 degrees centigrade forms plaster of Paris. What is the composition of plaster of Paris? We have four options. Third option is the correct answer, because it is calcium sulfate hemihydrate or 2CaSO4 into H2O. So C part is the correct answer. The setting of cement is exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, neither exo nor endo, none is correct. Correct answer is exothermic process. Which of the following substance is not a drying and dehydrating agent? Silica gel is, P2O5 is, common sulfuric acid is. Hydrated calcium chloride cannot be used as drying agent or dehydrating agent, because it's already hydrated. Anhydrous can be used. In firework gives green flame, which one of the following radical is present? Sodium, potassium, magnesium, barium. Correct answer is barium. The electrolysis of carnallite KCl MgCl2 into 6H2O gives magnesium, potassium and magnesium, both magnesium and chlorine. Correct answer is magnesium and chlorine. Magnesium has higher reduction potential than potassium. That's why at cathode magnesium will be formed, chlorine will be liberated at anode. Which is the correct order of solubility? Calcium carbonate is less than potassium bicarbonate and sodium bicarbonate. And we have got other options given to us. Correct answer is D part. Calcium carbonate is almost insoluble. Sodium carbonate is less soluble than potassium bicarbonate. That's why sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate can be prepared from Solvay's process, whereas potassium bicarbonate and potassium carbonate cannot be prepared by Solvay's process because they are highly soluble and cannot be precipitated.